It is a multicolor odorless covering which gives the space a restful and elegant look. It can be used in private houses and in public buildings such as bedrooms, kitchens, living rooms, staircases, cinemas, bars, hospitals, nursery schools or hotels. It can be used on all kinds of bases: cement, plaster, wood, iron or light alloys after previous adequate treatment. Millicolor R is not flammable and has Class 1 certificate. Preparation of the base. We smooth it with sandpaper, removing all peeling parts. We fill cracks and holes with the filler R2786. After 2 to 3 hours, the filler is dry. We now begin smoothing the surface with sandpaper 220 until it becomes uniform. Now we apply 1 or 2 coats of the Gummiflex primer in the quantity of 150 grams per square meter per each coat of the color similar to Millicolor R. In this case we are applying white Gummiflex because Millicolor, which will be used later, is of the color 1043. As we can see, Gummiflex is not only a very well covering product, it is also a very good insulator and primer, and it gives a satin finish appearance of the coating. It is odorless and it absorbs tobacco smoke. Tools used for the application of Gummiflex must be washed with white spirit. We now move on to the preparation of the Millicolor R, which has to be thinned with 15 to 20% of water. We mix it slowly with a flat spatula. Millicolor R is now sprayed under the pressure of 2 to 4 atmospheres with the airbrush with the tank attached in the upper or lower part, the nozzle of 2.5 mm and at the distance of 30 to 50 centimeters from the base. We can use a multi-spray gun or any other generally available with sufficient power, with the exception of airless guns. We start with the application of 200 grams per square meter of Millicolor R horizontally, distributing it well all over the surface. The first coat is now left to dry, partially, for about 30 to 60 minutes. We change the position of the nozzle and apply the second coat vertically in the quantity of 150 grams per square meter. The same process can be used in the cycle of application of Millicolor Magic Light. The difference is that instead of usual Gamiflex, we are using Gamiflex Series 5000, and instead of Millicolor R, we are using Millicolor Magic Light. Millicolor Magic Light is a decorative finishing coating which becomes luminous when it is exposed to wood light or any other source of light. Due to its capacity of retaining energy, it gives out magnificent light effects, even if in case of total darkness. Its applications are varied, for example private or public buildings, discotheques, exhibitions, or marking of safety zones. Tools used for the application of Millicolor I cleaned first with water and then with white spirit.